It's March 28th, and it's bad windy today. Hoping we can catch a break in it. And here when God was about to be daylight, we got up super early this morning, and we've been sitting in the truck for the last hour waiting on daylight. But it's about to get daylight here, and back in the same area where Ellis had missed a bird earlier during youth season. So we're gonna, hopefully he's still here, and we're gonna see if we can get on him. We just heard a bird gobbling. He's on. We're trying to loop around him and get on the same reach that he is. Daddy's up here sprinting, but he sounds like he's on the same ridge he was on during youth season. We know exactly where he's at. that right? One in a holler to the right. Hold up, hold up.
I'm sure you ain't gonna have much video of him.
Man, what a hunt.
Could you not get a shot at him when he hit the ground?
Oh, he's too far.
It's closer than what you shot him just now, wasn't it? It just looks, that turkey wasn't 35, 40 yards. It looks further than it.
You see it?
When it's dark, like he hit the ground early. You wouldn't have shot him right there.
Nope. I was letting him come up.
Was he coming up?
Yeah, he's coming up. He's like, kill that turkey.
Well, he was in range.
I just didn't want to miss.
I know.
I'm just gonna make sure I was on him. I thought I heard a hen one time. Did you hear?
She hit the ground just right by you.
10 yards?
I don't know how much of it I got.
I think I might have hit him in the body. He was kind of strutting when I shot him.
How far was that?
That looks like a long way. I'm out of breath. My nerves is getting to me on that one. So as he hit the ground, you said kill him.
Well, he wasn't 40 yards.
I was thinking he was going to come on up here. Yeah. What tree was I at this tree?
Mm-hmm.
Whew.
Got a
3-year-old. Yeah, I did hit him in the body.
It don't matter.
I knew he was strutting when I shot him.
Let's hear when we get about the video with him.
6:45 when I killed him.
What time is it?
6:48.
I about pulled the mic out of the camera when I got up.
Look and see if I hit him. I was scared he was going to see me when I crawled in front of that tree.
When he hit the ground, I couldn't stick it off. I bet he hit 40 yards.
It just looked far because it was dark or something. I was thinking, man, he's a long way. And I was thinking, man, I don't want to miss. There's right here. He was on at the end of the ridge, probably. He was on deeper and to the left. Yeah, it just looked a long way. Whew. I wonder how far he was on halfway. He was in that bottom when I shot it. I ain't never had a hen fly down that close. Well, it's about, let me see what time it is. 6:53. I probably shot him about 6:45. It was a very, very good hunt. Probably one of the better hunts I've been on this year so far. That turkey, he was gobbling good. And we got right up under him. Not right up under him, we got close to him before he flew down. And he flew down within 45 yards. And I didn't shoot at him because I thought it was too far. I guess because it was so dark. And then he kind of walked off the little dip in the ridge and started kind of coming around the ridge. Next thing I know, a hen flies down within 10 yards of me. And then you could see him coming around the ridge strutting. And that hen was so close. And by then, Daddy was back there hollering at me, telling me to shoot. And he had done got, he probably, I don't know, he was coming, but I don't know how much more he was gonna come. And I hit him, I shot him, he was about full strut. And I hit him in the body. He's gonna have some shot in his breast, but it was a very good hunt this morning. We got it done early. The wind was blowing hard when we got out of the truck. It's kind of starting to lay, but maybe we can go get on another one and Daddy can get him one.
Sure hadn't heard another.
Sure hadn't.
Uh-huh.
We sure hadn't. Where do you think that guy was coming in from?
That's that truck pulled up there beside us and they went down the road. When we was coming up through there, I heard them out hooting just.
Sure did get done early. He ain't as heavy as the other one.
No, that was a real big turkey, either.
They really ain't.
I might not get much of that when I eat.
Probably got a lot of